In the visible light spectrum, germanium is completely reflective. You cannot see through it. It would not matter if this was as thin as a sheet of paper or tissue paper. You couldn't see light coming through it. Totally reflective. But here's the miracle. For infrared energy, the energy that we use to create thermal images, it's transparent. Not like water clear, but like air transparent. And so if you want to create a lens surface that infrared energy can fall onto, that you can focus into your device, it's a gift. It's a miracle substance.
How in the world did we stumble across this?
Yeah, it's incredible. And so this is one of the most, especially in this age,